I don't want nobody else with you. I don't want nobody else with you. Ooh, nobody else with you. Ooh, She like, what's up with me and you? What we finna to do? Lately I've been giving you some room. Lately I just don't know what to do.
Beat on the beat.
Okay, now that I'm done blowing out my hair and getting it ready to be braided, I am going to use the new line of edge controls by SM Beauty. It's called the First Touchdown Edge Controls, which will be in the stores soon, you guys. It comes in 3 different strengths. One is the Super, which is the 18-hour hold. It is the yellow. The next is going to be the Ultimate 24-hour hold, which is in the orange tube. And the third one is the maximum 36-hour hold, which is the purple. I'm going to use all 3. It's a non-flaking, rich in moisture, and antibacterial edge control, and it also smells amazing. I am going to use all 3 edge controls in the tutorial to show you guys that it does not grease at all like all the other edge controls that I tried. It dries hard. Like, it doesn't dry as like rock hard, but it dries secure. It's not greasy, so whatever you slick down, that's going to stay, honey. Okay, and we love that. So just look out for the new SM Beauty First Touchdown Edge Controls in the stores near you, you guys.
Beat on the beat.
So now I'm going to apply the yellow on the sides because I know it's kind of a lighter hole and I didn't want a too strong hole because I already have my edges kind of molded down from gel the night before. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the edge controls on the edges as well as in the middle where the braid comes into, where the hair comes into the braid. And then I'm going to split the hair into the braiding hair into 7 sections, starting from small sections up until kind of medium large sections. All you need is about 7 sections. Now it depends on how thick and how thin your hair is. My hair is not thick, but it's on the fuller side, so I don't really need too much hair, but I need, you know, I have enough to where it looks pretty full. And so I like to start off my braids with my hair, and then about 6, 7, 8 turns in, then I will add the little piece of feed-in hair. Just all you do literally is just put the braiding hair in between your braiding fingers, so like the middle finger and the pointer finger. Put 1/2 of the braiding hair in front of you whenever you grip it, and keep the other half. And then every other turn, you're going to add that hair back into. I know it's probably hard to explain, so I'm just going to go ahead and let you guys see what's going on.